check it out that depth. Try it dunk. Yeah, do it. Don't get from the free throw line.
One more time.
Keanu, can you taste it? Taste it?
I win something today. Without spilling it. Oh! I was about to say, Keanu, you're not going to win if he does that one.
Carlito,
Just put Tyler Hagen's picture.
Keanu! No, put Keanu's picture, but put Tyler's name.
Yeah, it was bad.